Silver and gold rush is on, my friends. What do I mean by that? We're going to dissect this one. Help me out with the thumbs up. That really helps get the videos out to more and more people. This is your last and final warning. If you have not signed up for the Pinbacks giveaway, you got to do it in this video. Tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's tomorrow morning. On the 30th, I'll be cutting all entries off. There'll be no more entries allowed after 8 a.m. East Coast time zone. So get them in tonight. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay subscribed to the channel, because you never know when we might do a flash giveaway. A flash giveaway means that I will do a video, say it one time, not give no warning. Show something we're giving away the next day or two after that, we'll just do the giveaway. This is why you should be watching all the videos. Thumbs up, subscribe, let's get into it. Thank you for letting me rant for the first minute. Silver and gold rush. Gold's over $3,500 an ounce. Silver is in the futures over $40 an ounce. Didn't think we can get here this quick. Just got off the phone with Michael at Pinbacks. They didn't think it was going to go this quickly. But here we are. Rate cuts are coming, my friends, in September. I've been touting that since May of this year. And we're going to get them. We're going to get at least a 25 basis point cut here. That's going to drive more fuel for silver and gold. You think inflation's going away? I don't think so. Inflation's not going away. Anybody who wants to claim that inflation's going away, I'm sorry, but you're not paying attention of what's really going on out in the market. Inflation is not going away. If this light goes out, I'm on low battery, I apologize. That's where we are, my friends. We are trapped. This is not the time to cut rates, though. Jobs are losing. Are we going to go with inflation? They're going to try to save the job market. It's too late. We're still sourcing jobs overseas. People want to say Trump's tariffs are going to bring jobs back. That's going to take years if that even works, my friends. Let's come to reality. That's going to take years for jobs to come back. And how do we know jobs are even going to come back? We're stuck. We're stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. We need to stack silver and gold. I understand prices are high. But Michael did make a good point. As I've been making too. Yeah, I'm starting to back off a little bit as well. But we got to keep stacking. All right, we can't look at the price or how much this is going to be left with nothing, my friends. You have these in the bank, you're going to be left with nothing. Silver and gold are the real money. Michael kind of reinforced that. People keep sitting on the sidelines. I've been saying that. The people who sat on the sidelines at $22 silver. And wishing and hoping and praying it's going to go back to 17. It never happened. We heard it all the way. Where are all those people now? I know I've said this before, but it's going to be reiterated again for people to understand. You're just going to be able to purchase less. It's okay. That's what cost average, stacks. Going to give you an update what's going on at the shop. Some people were selling. Some people were buying today. People are getting nervous out there. We're going to be at $42 silver, $44 silver. Not about the dollar cost. It's about protecting your wealth when this thing crashes. Look at the people in Venezuela, my friends. People forget. You think our currency cannot go to fiat heaven? and be destroyed. It's being destroyed every single day. Our government is spending money every single day. We got to stop the gosh darn spending. That ain't gonna happen. We have to stop the gosh darn melt. I'm trying like heck to stop the gosh darn melt. But some of these coin shops, they're not coin shops no more. The ones that gloat about it, rave about it, they're the smelters. They're lying to you. They've been lying to you. Telling you it's a good time to sell. So for this? Really? So this is going to be a gold and silver rush coming down the pipeline. And the ones that waited too long, and I'm afraid some people have waited too long, are never going to buy it, never going to convert, because they're worried about the old dollar that's losing value every single month due to inflation. Has your light bill gone up? Has your grocery bill gone up? Has your home heater oil gone up? Yes, we're still in summertime. But it's going to start cooling off rapidly up in the north very quickly here. Gotta prepare, my friends. Are you stocked up on canned goods? You stocked up on food? Get prepared. If you're going to use it, buy an extra couple canned goods a week. You don't have to do it all at once. Buy an extra shampoo when you buy one. You don't have to do it all at once. This is where I have done it. We gotta shop around for everything. It's not hard to shop around. Alright? It's not hard. You go to Amazon, let's say. You find something you want. Highlight it. Go back to the search engine and see if anybody else has it cheaper than that. That's how I do it. Every single gosh darn time is how I do it. If it saves $3, it saves $3. If it saves $5, it saves $5. Whatever the case may be. Check out channel sponsor Pinbacks. They're going to keep at least this deal open until Labor Day. Random year. Canadian Maple Leafs. 25 or more. Now you only have to buy 25. This is a good entry point. That's a whole tube. Random years. You might get the Queens. You might get the Kings. You might get a mix of everything. It's a deal right now. And I commend Pinbacks for offering this deal right now. Purchase them over the weekend. They will be back on Tuesday, my friends. They might extend this deal until next week. We don't know that yet. So we're gonna leave this deal open until at least Monday. That's all I can say for now, until I get more confirmation from Pinbacks what they're seeing out there. Depending what the prices are, that's where we're going to be at, my friends. Check out channel sponsor Pinbacks, P-I-M-B-E-X. A lot of you folks have said already, someone said they were like $25 cheaper than AtMax for Canadian 10-ounce Royal Mint Bar today on the channel, in the comments sections. That's a huge savings. What can you get for $25, my friends? Why are you paying more? We got to pay less. Pinbacks don't always have the best price, but they got the best customer service around. I asked them for a deal this week for Labor Day. That's the deal we came up with. Well, they came up with it. I just asked for a deal. If there was able to do something. I'm trying to bring you, the viewers, the subscribers, the best deals around. This is not trying to sell you anything. I don't make a commission. I get a check every single month that we agree on. No commission base here. I'll never take a sponsorship with a commission base. I've kept my word since I've had this channel on that. Gotta use caution. You don't want to overspend. You don't want to overconvert. Don't do that. Alright? I'm seeing it at the coin shop once again. And I hope none of the viewers and subscribers, and I hope you all become subscribers, because I'm here with boots on the ground information, seeing it, what's going on in one local coin shop. This is where we need to be, boots on the ground. How many channels can offer you that? That have a sponsor online, Someone works in the coin shop. Nobody else. Nobody else. I'm your boots on the ground. For the shops and pawn shops, they really tee me off. They all want to melt. Not all of them. You know who they are. Alright, why are we doing business with these coin shops then? Why are we doing business with these pawn shops? When they're saying to you, back in February, it was good to sell gold at $2,900. I always said, hold on to it. If you don't, the only time you should be selling your silver and gold is if you need the cash quick. Or if you know you need the cash down the line, start selling off slowly. If you feel like you're getting robbed from your local coin shop, call up channel sponsor Pinbacks. It's a little bit of processing time. If you don't need it that fast, plan ahead if you can. Get the best price possible when you purchase and when you sell. Don't have to sell because the price of silver and gold are going up. Selling for cash right now when you don't need to is the craziest thing anybody can do when they don't need to sell. Now, there are different scenarios. Like I've said, someone trying, they got a lot of silver dimes. Fine, sell them off slowly. Told you guys that story today in the second video. And it just got his light bulb on his head again, saying, you've been right. I'm going to listen to you. I'm not no expert. I'm not no financial advisor. But trading silver and gold for property, it's not a bad idea. Especially if you can pick up the property a little bit cheaper. Housing market's going to crash. This interest rate cut's not going to do nothing for the housing market. Probably going to do nothing for our credit cards. You're just going to get less money in your CD once it comes renewed. Be attention to your renewal rates in your CDs, my friends. Be very cautious. Know what your rates are if you have CDs. You know, your CD will not change until it comes to be renewed. You can call your bank up and say, I don't want to renew it. They put it in, they send you a check. Close it out, send you a check, and put it in your other account. Whatever the case may be. Not financial advice. You're not making any money off of a CD right now anyways, not with these higher rates. It's eating into inflation. You really believe inflation's at 2.9%? You gotta at least times that by 3. We don't have a true inflation rate. 3%'s a joke. It's a joke. We know it's more than that. If you folks have any questions for me, my email is always in every single video. Ask away. I'm here for you. Tomorrow is the giveaway. I'll post a link in the comment section below. Make sure you sign up. It's absolutely free. Make sure you say subscribe. Because we will do flash giveaways. Just not going to say them because that's why we call them flash giveaways. This next giveaway is a nice giveaway. A lot of collectible silver in this giveaway. I've been trying to promote this giveaway for the last 2 weeks now. I know tomorrow's the last day, so now I can be quiet about the giveaway after tomorrow. We won't be talking about it no more, this, my friends. I wish everybody the best of luck. It's only going to be one winner. The rules in there, in the giveaway, exactly what you have to do. I'll explain a little bit more tomorrow. Stay tuned. Stay active out there. Be knowing what's going on in the markets. If you got questions, you got to ask. There goes the light. You got to ask. No, there's no crazy question to ask. You don't know something, you got to ask. This, my friends. email me. Put it in the comment section. Let's get this comment section going with Stop the Melt. Let's put, I demand Stop the Melt now. You don't want to put that much in there, just put Stop the Melt with a thumbs up. That's all. Help me with the thumbs up. That gets the videos out to more and more people. We can stop the melt with numbers, my friends. Those thumbs up really does help the channel. You want to get the message out? I need those thumbs up. That's how we're going to get the message out. We got to put the pressure on these coin shops. Well, they're more like smelters now. These pawn shops, they continue to get it in the doors, setting off the smoke. We got to put the pressure on them. We got to stop it now, before it's too late. Stop melting down our history. Stop melting our history down. You can throw it around, that's fine, but stop melting it down. Thanks for watching my third video of the day, folks. If you'd like to give a little donation, there are two ways. A super chat, super thanks in any video. Go to the comment section. You see a little hat with a dollar sign in it. You can donate that way. Or you can donate through my PayPal account, which I'll post that in the link as well, in the comment section as well. But please, I'm not here begging for money at all. I ask you, don't give anything unless you can afford to do it. I'd rather you take that donation and put it towards your own precious metals. But some people like to donate a couple bucks. Fine. I appreciate it. It's not a requirement. All my views are free. I don't have memberships that you pay $5.99, $9.99, $19.99, $109. I've seen all kinds of different crazy prices. Why would you want to pay that for a little doodad just by your name? I never got that. All my information will always remain free to watch. 100%. This is crucial. No information should not ever be charged for to watch on YouTube like this. Not with this type of content. It is just too good of information to charge for. You know, I work in the coin shop. You guys know that. I'm your boots on the ground. We got great sponsor, Pinbax. Great company. What more do you want? Coin Shop Chris is out. See you in the morning with the 90% Silver Market Watch. That's going to be number 55 weeks in a row, my friends. I hope you folks have a good night.